You're gonna stop or you can go to jail. Oh, this is he's taking off on us, Northland Terrace. He's gonna push you over if you don't stop.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The video for today is a perfect example of a pretextual stop, and it's a demonstration of why they are an important tool for law enforcement. A pretextual stop is defined as a stop initiated by law enforcement for a minor traffic violation with the actual purpose of investigating or searching for evidence of another unrelated crime. In this case, officers are attempting to stop Mr. Rashad Lamar Berry for riding his bicycle on the sidewalk. But the real reason they wanted to stop him is because they believed he was delivering illegal drugs to a tent that they also believed was being used to sell narcotics. So the officers watched him for a while and they waited for him to make a mistake, then attempted to stop him. Oddly enough, when Mr. Berry wrecked his bike, a pistol fell from his waistband. It was later discovered that he was carrying illegal narcotics in his socks. Mr. Berry was charged with felony firearms offenses as well as obstructing official business. He'll be facing the narcotics charge once the drugs return from the lab. This is a process that takes several months. Mr. Berry pled guilty to carrying a concealed weapon and was given 2 years of probation, as well as being ordered to attend some counseling sessions. I'm sure he learned the error of his ways. The police can't keep our city safe if the courts refuse to hold these people accountable.
You're gonna stop or you can go to jail. Oh, this is he's taking off on us, Northland Terrace. He's gonna push you over if you don't stop. Get him, Dane. He's all yours. He dropped a gun. He dropped a gun, Dane.
Right on your sidewalk.
Pull over.
Come back. You're under arrest. These sons out. Spearheads.
Stop, bro. I didn't do shit, bro. I didn't do shit, bro.
Don't move.
All right, bro. I quit.
I got him here.
I quit, bro. I won't get on the ground, bro.
Do not stop moving. Listen to what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Give me this hand.
I didn't even do shit.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
I don't know why y'all pulled
Got
me over.
cuffs?
I didn't do nothing.
Can't ride your bike on the sidewalk.
Yep. Why can't I ride my bike on the sidewalk?
Give me some units over here, Danny. Where you at?
We got one detained. Stand by for the yell.
Where's the shots? Damn. Can I fucking take my shoes off?
No, what are you doing? Stop
My
moving.
fucking feet hurt. It's like glass or something.
Hey, firm, that's what they said.
I got it.
Okay, copy. You still need him on 60?
Go away. Go away. Go away, please. Thank you. It's like glass.
Stop moving.
I'm bleeding. Turn around on your belly. Turn on
You're
your
the one that
belly.
did this.
Alright, they wanted
Turn on your belly.
Oh, he's got dope in his sock. That's why he's
That's
doing
not
that.
me. Okay. That's not me. 611 got. You do not have that on my person.
It's in your sock. I'm looking right at it right now.
That's not me. You didn't see me take that off of nowhere.
I'm looking at it right
That's
now.
the I was trying to roll over.
Okay, yeah. Stop moving.
Don't move. I didn't even do shit. Why did y'all stop me?
L3, do they have one detained or they still need cars?
We've got one detained.
I see one car out back with my guys in the alley, one up front with me.
Why did y'all stop me, officer?
445.
I didn't even do shit.
445 South Eureka in the alley.
Okay.
Alright, that's all in your sock right there. It's all on body cam. Thanks for taking your shoe
98 in
off.
the
I
alley.
didn't take that off. Y'all had me in handcuffs.
Right here.
Back
We're back
to the front
here.
of the bike.
Let me see.
Alright, you want to get a, I gotta pat him
All right,
down.
need one in front. 190 if you could head to the front.
Okay. To the
We
side.
get the 33.
Any other guns on you?
I didn't have any guns on me.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, he.
That's 63, I got it.
I don't have any guns.
Scale.
Okay.
Somebody running down the alley.
No, this is him. This is him.
One, that's
Sarge is at, I think, where he must have ditched something.
Okay.
Whose idea is this? This isn't you.
The guy right there in the alleyway, I found
Yeah,
him.
we just like kicked it down. Or jumped over it.
6313. Can we get a medic started our way, please?
We'll just put him in the cruiser for
You hit your face twice.
What do you need him for?
Turn over. Turn over.
Our code. He's got a cut on his face.
Why did y'all stop me?
For riding on the sidewalk. I've told you this 3 times, my man.
Why'd you run away from us? That's a
Because y'all
violation.
just,
You can't
I
do
didn't
that.
know that y'all just literally pulled up on me for no reason.
For no reason, you're riding on the sidewalk, my man.
And you're gonna have him
Why
in
can't
rear
we
of
ride on the sidewalk?
That's just, we don't make the law, man. That's just.
98 is the
Follow up to the video.
All right, what you need underneath you. You ready?
My fucking legs is like barely able to move.
We saw that when you fell 3 or
See
4
your
times.
chest. Pull your knees to see your chest. Roll over.
I can't, literally, like my fucking, there you go.
And stand up.
The other car.
Stand up. There you go.
We're gonna go out the front.
Okay, you want me to come around?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Your
Watch your
bike's
step, man.
there?
I'll grab those here in a second.
Okay. You want me to take?
If you don't mind. This was all his property.
Okay.
He had dope in the
445?
socks.
I did not have that in my sock.
There's dope in the socks, so be careful.
That was not in my sock.
Why'd you take the shoe off, man?
I didn't take my shoe
Yeah, I
off.
think
That's right.
so.
We're not gonna talk about it right now.
You got him.
I fell over the damn fence and my shoe came off.
It's all on body cam, my man.
And you're gonna have him in rear of
Do you have a
98 is the
brown paper bag?
Follow up to the alley and see my car. They got him right in the back.
Appreciate it. I love how these guys, they don't know how to ride a bike. Anytime they take off or try to dump it, they just like, they eat shit. Oh my gosh, dude. He went head first. His legs did like a little scorpion over his back.